my Tic-Tac-Tot friends! Welcome back to another episode of Tic-Tac-Tot Fun Art with me, Steffi. Thank you for joining it with me today, and I hope you're doing well and healthy wherever you are. My friends, are you excited to do art and crafts with me today? So, in today's episode, we will make what it's called Windsocks. Have a look. So what you can do with this windsock is you can hang it in your room or in your window and make your room looks much brighter and also more colorful. Let's start to make one. So first, let us gather some of our materials. So to make windsocks, all we need are one paper tube, so you can get this from your toilet paper roll, colorful crepe papers, paints, brush and paint tray, scissors and glue, as well as hole puncher and yarn. Alright, since we have all the materials, let's start to make the windsocks. First, let us prepare the paint. Put the blue and white paint on the tray. Mix it together to create a nice sky blue. Once you are happy with your color, then we are going to take a medium brush and start to paint the paper roll. Start from the outside, slowly building the paint, and don't forget to paint inside the paper tube too. After you finish with your paint, it's gonna look something like this. So we're gonna have to let it dry, and then we're gonna go to the next step. While we are waiting for the tube to dry, we are going to prepare the crepe paper. Using the scissor, we are going to cut the paper to create long rectangle shapes. In this design, we're going to use red, yellow, purple, blue and pink paper. Cut the paper slowly along the paper, making it around 15 to 20 centimeters long. Repeat this step on the other colors until you got all the colors you need. Once we finish with cutting the crepe papers, we're going to go on the next step. Next, we are going to glue the crepe paper around the paper tube. Make sure you put the glue inside the part of the paper roll and then stick the crepe paper to it. Let it dry. Once we are finished with the glue, we're going to the next step, which we're gonna decorate our windsocks. Now, grabbing a white paint, or you can also use white marker, we are going to draw lots of clouds around the tube. Slowly building the clouds from one side to the other. Once you're happy with your cloud, and we're gonna let it dry. Yay! We are almost done. My friends, are you excited? Once it is dry, we can go on to the last step. Next, we are going to take a hole puncher and create 2 holes on the side of the paper tube. Make sure the hole is opposite to each other. Next, we're going to grab the string and tie it to each side. Once you're finished, you will have your own windsocks, which you can hang it around your rooms or probably near your windows. My friends, you can also make your own windsocks using different colors and materials to decorate, such as this one or maybe something like this. My friends, thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you on the other episode of Tic Tac Dot Fun Art. My friends, if you like to check other videos from us, you can check our YouTube page. We have story times and also songs. Also like this video and subscribe to our channel to hear other story or other things from us. Bye for now.